Today, I'm making my guilt-free chocolate cake. In a large bowl, add the oatmeal and the hot milk, add the honey, mix that well, and set aside for about 10 minutes to prepare the rest of the cake. In a medium bowl, smash the bananas, add the eggs and the salt, and mix that well. Add the cocoa powder and the baking powder and mix that well to combine. Roughly chop the walnuts. Add the banana mixture to the oatmeal and mix that well. Spray the baking dish with olive oil. Add the batter. Then top with the walnuts. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes on 360 degrees. In a small bowl with the chocolate, add the hot milk and mix that till completely melted. Once the cake is cold, place the melted chocolate in a piping bag and drizzle back and forth the cake.